The prerequisite to unity consciousness is being authentic. You know, we can't really unify if we're carrying programmings or if we're wounded and fractured and we're not able to look at that maturely and face it and transmute it or like reach out to get assistance. I mean, you know, it takes humility. But we've all come into this experience with past life wounds, with just the wounding of being in a world of so much suffering and injustice and, you know, pollution and extinctions, that we're all carrying, you know, this on some level. So we're in a process of rehabilitation. And as the planetary body's gotten back in alignment with the galactic plane, you know, it's becoming a lot more clear, you know, what this concept of unity is. But when we look at the damage of what these world wars have done and how it's sought to conquer and divide us, you know, people are carrying historical resentments that are based in false flags and manipulations that, you know, could potentially keep us apart. Now, the whole idea of unity consciousness came in when the 12 tribes were seeded, when we fell into this lower density and harmonic universe, one from higher dimensions. There was sort of this experiment that we wouldn't come in with our full DNA capacity. And so we came in as root races, you know, Hyperborea, Polaris, Lemuria, Atlantean. And so the whole idea of root races is that we share codes and we share DNA strands to activate each other. So unity consciousness is not us all just getting together and getting along. It's us activating each other and giving each other different pieces of the puzzle to awaken dormant DNA and to awaken ourselves to certain, you know, chakras. So we all come together and we share and we distribute and we, you know, activate each other. And so this is how we restore our 12-strand DNA, and we almost have to earn it by being willing to go through these initiations, you know, by being willing to come together, and by, you know, being willing to just answer, you know, that deeper calling. And so we've been going through these life-death reincarnation cycles in order to experience these, you know, different sides of ourselves and aspects of ourselves until, you know, this window period gives us an idea of, you know, what it means to be all of it, you know, like we're all our past lives right now. And so what's important is that we understand that unity consciousness relates to the stargates on Earth and helps to open the stargates on Earth. And it restores the 12 tree grid. It pulls us out of the tree of knowledge, but the tree of knowledge has been targeted with mind control. So, you know, unity consciousness is helping us to restore our 12-strand DNA. It's helping us to achieve ascension because the Earth responds to us. There's a purification process that comes from what happens when we all come together, because in a way it's like how we boost the global immune system. And when we come together and we don't allow ourselves to be conquered and divided, and we aren't in fragmentation anymore, we're shielded, and these dark entities and archons can't feed on us anymore. So as the global immune system increases because of our unity consciousness, the parasites are starved and almost an exorcism could happen. So that's the importance of unity consciousness on a DNA level, on a purification of the planet level, and it's what we're being called to do right now, for sure.